Many wireless chargers on the market are not so convenient to use. Whenever there's a message coming, we will need to pick it up. And that is a time-wasting process. This is why we redesigned a new wireless charger, the ZIISTLE, which is more ergonomic and makes the phone screen and sightline a perfect angle. The ZIISTLE modular wireless charger supports 3 working modes. When using an office desk, the charging module can be placed at portrait mode, which is 60 degrees to the desktop. You can unlock your Face ID directly to read messages if it's an iPhone X. Place the charging module at landscape mode, so you can watch videos while charging wirelessly. The charging module can be placed at 15 degrees drop mode when using on a side table. So there's a comfortable angle between the eyes and phone screen. ZIISTLE wireless charger is designed to be very simple, with a leather texture that blends in with the office or home environment. The charging module is only 3.6 millimeters thick and is currently the smallest wireless charger in the world. The holder can be folded as thin as an iPhone X, and very convenient for storage when not in use. ZIISTLE wireless charger has passed Qi standard with output power of 10 watts and 7.5 watts. The wireless charging module itself can also be sold separately. Using the world's first coil and mainboard separation method, the coil part generates very low heat during use. You can also DIY your own wireless charger with ZIISTLE charging module. Are there many more possibilities with ZIISTLE? We look forward to your answer.
Hey! Bet this looks familiar. It's your standard boring charging cable. As we all know, bending is breaking. Bending while lounging, docked, in the car, on the move, or in tight spaces. Plus, they're slow charging, unattractive, and tangly. The reign of this outdated, overused cable is over. Meet USB 93. It doesn't bend, it rotates, making it the world's first unbreakable, fully flexible cable. USB 93 is the only USB cable with 90-degree rotation and 3 directions. With USB 93's innovative design, you get straight and L-shaped functionality in one cable. More savings, less cables. Now you can use your devices worry-free in all situations. The USB 93 uses nylon braiding, so you get a tangle-free experience, giving you more time to untangle things that really matter. It uses premium fabric wire that is durable and flexible, plus it manages to fit into tight spaces and is fashionable at the same time. They also come in stunning color options to fit your style. We have a working prototype and need your help to bring USB 93, the world's first unbreakable and truly flexible cable, to you. Please, back our project and say goodbye to broken cables.
The future of charging is wireless. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone, the same wireless charger is compatible with both. But sometimes it seems like all we've done is exchange ugly and annoying cords for ugly and annoying charging pads. They clutter up our desks and nightstands and are even more obtrusive than cables. Most have bright glowing lights that keep you awake at night, which is super annoying. And not only that, but they have really short range, so if you have a thick case or a pop socket, it probably won't charge your phone anyway. What's the point of wireless charging if you're replacing the wires with something worse than a wire? Here at Archon, we love wireless charging. But to be truly magical, we believe the best wireless charger is the one you don't see. Introducing the world's first long-distance wireless charger that's compatible with the technology already in your phone. It's essentially an invisible wireless charger. Archon charges wirelessly and does so without being seen by eliminating the normal distance constraints of wireless charging. No more table clutter, no more bright lights, no more case compatibility issues. Archon's patent-pending technology allows you to charge your phone at distances up to 35 millimeters away. That means it works under any desk, nightstand, or countertop. It charges through wood, plastic, granite, quartz, glass. If you have a tabletop made out of something, Archon can charge your phone through it. Well, except metal. But when's the last time you bought a titanium nightstand? Archon is super easy to set up and use. You just plug it in, stick it under the table, and start charging. It comes in 2 flavors, the 25mm version, and the extra long-range 35mm version for even the thickest tabletops. At Archon, we're pushing the limits of what wireless charging can do. Rather than swap an old wire for a new one, or put another gadget on your desk, we're telling you to clear off your space and throw out your wires. This is the future of charging, and with your help, we hope to move the industry forward in a big way. Archon is the world's best wireless charger because it's the only one you never see.
We sacrifice our moments for countless times, for countless days, in our only single life. On small matters, on pointless issues, on those irrelevant others. We've been taken away from the moment when we are who we are. Don't accept. Don't surrender. Fight. Take the moment back for yourself, for what you love, for whom you really are. Be intrepid to step in, to feel. Drop all your burdens, just like this. Step in your moment.